Bravo team.
Come on.
Hold on, hey, hold on. Get your team set, guys. Let's go.
Hey, come
Bravo
back here.
team. We're getting set on the entry point.
Okay.
Follow me.
Get set. Come on. We're going this way? Yeah. All right, come on. Nixon. You guys ready? Sundale, how you doing? Hold on, wait. Okay, I'm good. Okay, we gotta keep up. Hold on, wait.
Back up.
Wait, we gotta get our team together. Wait. Hey, wait for him. Let's go. I'll wait for him. Understood. Not ready. Wait, ready? Let's go. Right here. Let's go. Go ahead, man. Stay off the wall. Yeah. Hey, what's the hold up?
Oh.
Wait.
Okay, look. Hey, we can go slow as we fucking want.
Yeah.
You got door left, go. Clear this and hit this building. Ready?
Yeah, wait. Hey. Make sure everybody's ready. Ready? Go! Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Rob. Let's go. Fire.
Pop down, back for a gun truck, break.
ID.
What is he doing?
You're trying to fucking win! Am I gonna die? ID, back up from that turn over there. ID. Get away from me. Team, let's go. Start right right there, dude. All right, hey, guys. Hey, come on. Turn down. Let's go. All right, go ahead. Turn down. Let's go. Online. You going with us? We're up.
Might as well.
Put that tourniquet on!
Oh, yeah! Let's go.
Stay out.
Minutemen 2, copy.
Two more. Back up.
Building 6 is secure. Building 6 is secure.
Another room, come on!
Copy.
Yeah, you're right. They're going to do the door inspection. The record will go right into the house. You got the arm ready?
Is he out of play? He's out of play.
Definitely got a camera. Trying to see what's all on the Ready, crossing!
I got the rear.
Ready, coming out!
4 out.
All right, hey. You got on this sector right here. Sir Nixon, come over here.
Let me know where you're going, SRS.
All right, I'm shooting. All right. I got security over here, too.
Can't see your hands. You don't know what they first got in there.
Is anybody up there?
Negative.
Is it clear?
Clear.
It's coming!